Pharmacopoeia. Let's start with the introduction of the topic pharmacopoeia. It is derived from the Greek word pharmakon means drug and poia means to make. It is a legal and official book which is issued by the recognized authority, usually appointed by government of each country, and it comprises list of pharmaceutical substances, their formula along with the description and the standards. And there are five pharmacopoeias are name of the five pharmacopoeias are given here: British Pharmacopoeia, European Pharmacopoeia, Indian Pharmacopoeia, International Pharmacopoeia, United States Pharmacopoeia. Indian Pharmacopoeia first edition. This book available in 8 editions. First edition, first official Pharmacopoeia of India appeared in 1868, which was edited by Edward John Waring. In pre-independence day, British Pharmacopoeia was used in India. In 1946, Government of India issued a list known as the Indian Pharmacopoeia List, and this list was prepared by a committee which was appointed by Government of India in 1948. This committee consists a chairman, Mr. Sir R.N. Chopra, along with 9 other members. Tenure of this committee was 5 years. Indian Pharmacopoeia Committee under chairmanship of Dr. B.N. Ghosh published first edition of IP in 1955. This edition is written in English language, and official titles of the monograph which is present in the book given in Latin language. Second edition of IP was published in 1966 under the chairmanship of Dr. B. Mukherjee. Official titles of the monograph given in English language. Dose were expressed in metric system. For tablets and injections, usual strength has been given. Third edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published in 1985 with 2 volumes and 9 appendices. Fourth edition of the Indian Pharmacopoeia was published in 1996 under the chairmanship of Dr. Nityanand, and it has been made effective from 1st December 1996. This edition covered 1849 monographs and 123 appendices. Addendum first has been made effective from 31st December 2001. 42 monograph where 42 new monographs have been added. Addendum second has been made effective from 30th June 2003 where 19 new monographs has been added. Fifth edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published in 2007, and addendum to this edition was published in 2008. Indian Pharmacopoeia 2007 is presented in 3 volumes. Volume 1 contains general notices and general chapters, and Volume 2, 2nd and 3rd contains general monographs on drugs, substances, doses, forms and pharmaceutical aids. Sixth edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia is published in 2010, and sixth edition of the Indian Pharmacopoeia 2010 was published by Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission, Ghaziabad. This edition would be effective from 1st September 2010. The Indian Pharmacopoeia 2010 is presented in 3 volumes, in which volume first contain the notices, prefaces, the structure of IPC, Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission, acknowledgement, introduction, and the general chapters. Volume second contain general chapters, general monographs on dosage form, monographs on drug substances, dosage forms, and pharmaceutical aids specifically from A to M. Volume third contain monographs on drug substances, dosage form, and pharmaceutical aids only. Seventh edition of IP 2014 was published by the same Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission on behalf of Government of India, Ministry of Health and Welfare, Family Welfare. IP 2014 is presented in 4 volumes. British Pharmacopoeia, first edition of British Pharmacopoeia book was published in 1864. It consists 2 sections. Part first, Materia and Medica, in which information about medicines are given, and part second, Preparation and Compound, which specifically contain information about preparation of the medicinal preparations and some compounds. Second edition of book British Pharmacopoeia was published in 1867. Fourth edition was published in 1898, and fifth edition was published in 1914. Eighth edition was published in 1953. In this edition, titles of the drugs and In all edition, title of the drug and drugs in preparations were given in English language instead of Latin and metric system. It has been published annually. British Pharmacopoeia 2007 to 2009 were given in 6 volumes, that is from volume 1st to volume 6th. Volume 1st and 2nd contain information about medicinal substances. Volume 3rd contain information about some formulated preparations, product, immunological product, radiopharmaceutical preparations, some few surgical materials and homeopathic preparations. Volume 4th contain supplementary chapters and information about IR spectra. Volume 5th contain information about veterinary medications, and volume 6 contains CD-ROM version only. United States Pharmacopoeia. First edition of USP was published on 15 December 1820 in both Latin and English language. From 1820 to 1842, it was published at 10-year intervals. From 1942 to 2000, it was published at 5 years interval. From 2002, it was published annually. European Pharmacopoeia Commission started working since 1964 to prepare European pharmacopoeias. It is available in 8th edition. First edition of European Pharmacopoeia was published in 1967. Second edition was published in 1980. Third edition was published in 1997. Fourth edition published in 2001, valid from 1st January 2002. Fifth edition published on 15th June 2004, which implemented from 1st January 2005. Sixth edition of the book published on 16 July 2007, and which implemented from 1st January 2008. 7th edition published in June 2010, which implemented from 1st January 2011, and 8th edition published in June 2013, which implemented from 1st January 2014.